Good morning, students. In this video, we are going to see that unit number 6, solid state packing in crystal. In previous video, we are already seen the unit cell formation and how we are going to calculate the unit cell. Then recapitulation and test. The unit cell, I think you know a basic simple unit. Primitive and non-primitive. F of x shape is a primitive and non-primitive is nothing but the excess of one lattice points is available. The face center and body center and back equation. Okay, in this video we are going to see the how the unit cell form attached with the atoms and giving a shape. What is the the unit cell packing the crystal. Okay, learning objective. We can extend this analog to visualize the packing of constitution atoms, ions, molecule in crystal. The attractive force between the constituent ions. So, how one atom to another atom is going to attracted with the help of the power that like we are going to see in this video. Okay, and dimensional arrangement is very important in this. You take the first the packing crystal. We can assume the street fruit seller. How the street fruit seller will be arranged like orange or apples for the displaying manner. The one atom get another atom. The one apple in followed by the one row is completed. Then the top the another row is completed. So like a perfect arrangement, the atom also containing the that like arrangement. Okay, so only I'll show on this diagram. So only I shown this diagram for your better understanding. Okay, the regular and repeated arrangement at a certain intervals, atoms we get a molecules. Okay, let us consider the packing of fruits. For displaying the fruit shell, they are in a closest packed arrangement, shown as following. See, a regular 1, 2, 3 regular and then regular, a certain gap and then perfect arrangement. The certain gap and perfect arrangement, I said in a last video, voids is nothing but this is one atom, this is another atom, this is another atom, this is another atom. Yeah, in between one gap is there. The gap is called voids. The gap is called voids. See, in dimensional arrangements, linear arrangement of the sphere in one direction. In the arrangement of each sphere is contact with two neighbor sphere in either side. Okay, the dimensional arrangement is nothing here but only one type, one direction means, see, this is one atom, is having a one neighbor atom, then this having another neighbor atom. But this atom is containing only one neighbor, but this atom is containing a two neighbors. This atom is also containing a two neighbors. Like this, the atom will be modified. Two-dimensional close packing. One dimension means only one direction. A two-dimensional close packing means this is again classified into two major types. A AAA type. See, AAA type is nothing but A is only one molecule. A is the same molecule get another layer. This is another layer for same molecule. Okay, A only one A. Okay, this crystal is containing O only A molecule. Okay, suppose two types of molecule present in your arrangement means how the AB in arrangement each sphere is one contact with six neighboring sphere. See, this is A, this is B, and then this is A and this is B. See, I take this atom. This atom is containing a 3 of the bottom and 3 of the top. So 6 neighbor sphere is available. Okay, see, this is a perfect arrangement for the two-dimensional close packing. This is A and between B, and this is A and B, and this is A and B. So in two-dimensional arrangement we are classified into two types. One is a AAA type. AAA type is a single molecule containing the repeated arrangement, and then double molecule is containing that's also a repeated arrangement. Simple cubic arrangement. The simple cubic packing each sphere in contact with six neighboring sphere. The four in one layer, the one above and one is below. Hence the coordination number of the sphere simple cubic arrangement is 6. See, Simple cubic arrangement. I said simple cube is containing a 8. This is one of the simple cube. The simple cube is a repeated arrangement. Simple units are repeated arrangement. We can get a one cube like structure. How the cube is having how the cube is making a structure? See. So okay, we are having a unit cell, and then the unit cell is joined together and making a crystal, and crystal is having a two types of molecule. How we are going to calculate the packing efficiency? How the atoms are packed with one to another? With the help of the percentage of total volume occupied by these constituent sphere gives the packing efficiency of the arrangement. Let us calculate the packing efficiency of cubic cell. We are having a formula. This is a one type of Miller indices. Packing fraction or packing efficiency is equal to total volume occupied by the sphere in unit cell divided by volume of the unit cell into 100. Okay, how many total volume occupied by the sphere? So, how many space is required while we are placing the crystal? How many uh, how much amount of the space is required for placing the crystal, then divided by volume of unit cell. We are having a one volume of unit cell. We can put it means we can get an answer for packing efficiency. Then packing efficiency calculation for simple cubic unit. This is simple cubic unit. So is having a 8 atoms. I shown only 4 in front. Okay, this atom center is distance between 2a, and this is one type of radius, this is another type of radius. So 2r, a is equal to 2r. Then the volume of the sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r square. I'll show why I shown this one. I explain later. Then the volume of the cube with the edge length is a into a c. This is one a, this another a, this is another a, because this is going to attach with the another unit cell. So only we are not calculator, we are calculated only bottom cell. This is the 1a, this is 1a, this 1a. We can get a cube for a edge length. Okay, then that is r is the radius of the sphere. So a is equal to 2r. A is equal to 2r. But we want r mean a r is equal to a by 2. The volume of the sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Why I explaining volume of the sphere means this is the one atom taken as example means that is called like a sphere structure. So only I can take this equation for a calculation. I substituting the r value here. What happened? 4 by 3 pi a cube by a by 2 whole cube. I substituting this cube from the inside the bracket. A cube by 3 8. So I cancelling 1 fours of 4 8, 2 fours of 8, and 6 into 2 6, 3 into 2 6 pi a cube. Pi a cube by 6. This is the value of the sphere. We are identifying the volume of the sphere. The total volume occupied by the sphere by unit cell is 52.31% cell. Okay. So it's equal to 1 pi a cube by 6. 5 simple cubic unit cell means I said only 1. Okay. Suppose your face centered means cube. That is body centered means 2. The face centered means 3. So packing efficiency calculation. Packing efficiency is total volume occupied by the sphere in unit cell. We are calculated already volume of unit cell pi s cube by 6. Then volume of unit cell edge length is equal to s cube into 100%. Okay, I cancelled here. So this value is 52.56%, approximately 52.4%. The vacant space available per simple cubic cell 100 minus 52.4% is equal to 47.6%. So the packing efficiency or packing fraction is equal to 47.6%. So this packing efficiency and packing fraction useful to analyzing a doping method for semiconductor formation. So that time this is can be added another type of metals that should be rectified. Okay, the efficiency will be more. So now the simple cubic cell are calculated. Now we are going to calculate the body centered cubic cell arrangement. How the atoms will be found for body centered. Okay, this is A, this is also A, and this is another type B. Okay, so simple unit cell is nothing but only 8, and body centered means center one atom. Okay, the packing efficiency calculation. So we are using this equation, this phase dimension for Pythagoras theorem. According to the Pythagoras theorem, a theorem attributed by the Pythagoras that the square of the hypotenuse of a right angled triangle is equal in area to the sum of the all the squares on the other two sides. So nothing but we take a one right angle triangle. This we are identified this value means we put the answer 2, we can get a one face. We put the answer 8, we can get a cube. Like the Pythagoras theorem will be helpful for identification. Okay, this is the one triangle I took. Now I'm going to apply triangle ABC. I apply the Pythagoras theorem. AC is equal to A square plus B square. AC is equal to, I transfer to root here, that whole root will be coming A square plus B square. AB is equal to edge length is A. This edge length is A. So same atom I added 2A square. Okay. Then 2 root of 2A. This square will be cancelled for A. Okay. Root 2A is the answer. Then according to that another triangle we can get a like this, we can get a AG is equal to 3A. Okay, see, of atom on space. So only I can take this another type. Okay, so root 3A is equal to 4R. How many R's is there? This one R, this one R, this one R, this one R. So 4 R's. R is equal to root 3 by 4A. Volume of the sphere, or 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi root of, I substitute the r value, you can get like this. Then we are going to calculate the packing fraction. Volume occupied by the unit cell, but volume of the unit cell is into 100. Okay, we can get a 68% for a BCC, body center cubic. Okay, then we are going to find out the radius ratio. Radius ratio is equal to number of cations plus number divided by number of anions. The radius of cations and anion are C plus on RA divided by RA minus. Then recap of the slide: packing crystals, dimensional arrangement, two-dimensional close packing, simple cubic arrangement, and packing efficiency calculation. Thank you, students.